When I first got asked to take these cabinets that were built by Gibson guitars as a prototype and then were abandoned, I thought long and hard about what circuits I would build in these. And in fact, I had these for a long time before I had settled in my mind what I was going to go with. Because there are a lot of great Fender combo amp circuits that I could modify and I'd love. I mean, they're my favorite. But these are Gibson cabinets and they deserve something fitting of that lineage. So I dug through old schematics and I dug out the GA40 and the GA45T, which was branded Maestro. Both of these were basically built on the same platform. They both have dual 5879 preamp tubes. They both have 6 SQ7s in the tremolo circuit. Once I found the Gibson GA40 and the Maestro GA45T, I kind of decided to blend the circuits together so that in this iteration, channel 1 has the GA40 circuit and channel 2 has the Maestro GA45T. So for these, I've just spent the last day building these from scratch, and the way that I approach a build, even though I'm super excited about trying these things out, usually if I am focused on something for hours straight, it's a lot like taking a long car trip. You white knuckle it for 10 hours, you get to your destination, you should probably just relax because you're not going to enjoy your destination because you're exhausted. In the same way, when I build circuits from scratch, I'll spend half a day, a whole day working on that circuit, and then I'll walk away before I ever power it up. The reason is that when you're tired, you may miss things that are simple and obvious. You may actually start going down rabbit trails that lead you to make changes or to do things that you never needed to do, and it all comes from your exhaustion. So it's best when you get to the end of a project of actually building, where you focus for so long, to take a breather, take a night off, and come back fresh before you look at it again. I hope you guys have enjoyed following along as I brought these amps from just abandoned prototypes to actually building them into real circuits that can be played and have a new life. We're getting close to the end, and I appreciate you guys watching, so thanks.